Now that we have gone ahead and crafted our slideshow and built all of our slides and all those different pieces, let's go back and turn this into an actual video. In the earlier video creation example I showed, we just used the default of 5 seconds per slide. That won't really work for us anymore because we've got some other actions and special timings in here. So first thing I want to do is I want to record custom timings. So I'm going to go to slideshow and record slideshow. I can click on that and I can choose to record from the very beginning. Now, once I do that, it's going to click into slideshow mode, and I have a couple of different options here. I can turn a microphone on and off. I can use my webcam if I have that all set up, so I can actually appear on top of it. But really, I'm not adding voice to this yet. We'll do that in a separate video. But what I can do is now that I'm on here, I can hit record. It gives me the countdown. And now it opens up my first slide. Let's go to our first click. That has that opening what you need to know come up, and we can see our dot going on there. And I've been talking over this, so I am going to stop it now because I really want to go through this in real time, and that's just going to delay it. So I'm going to stop that, and I'm going to clear recordings on all the slides so we can go through again and actually set the timings right. So I'm going to start recording. And there we have what you need to know. Enough time to see it. Stroke by the numbers. Next slide. Next piece of data. And now we're at the stroke belt. We got our map zooming in. Now we can come to be fast. We can talk about the importance of recognizing sudden loss or change in balance, sudden loss or change in eyesight or vision, facial drooping, inability to hold both arms up, slurred speech or trouble using words or understanding others, and those signs mean it is time to call an ambulance. And there's our ambulance video. What should you do? You should call an ambulance. Do not drive yourself. And the reason that happened was I clicked a little too fast on that. We know that time is brain. We can zip in, and there's our highlighted section. How can you reduce your risk? We can see all of these different risk mitigation factors coming into play as we share that potentially life-saving information with our audience. World Stroke Day is October 29th. More resources and where you can go to learn more. We end that. Now, it tells you that we took approximately, right about 1 minute there to go through those different slides. So that is great. Now we have slide timings on there, and I can hit escape to get out of this. And now we've added those timings. Now, if I realize I spent too much time in one spot, I can always go back to one of those slides, hit my transitions, and this shows that I spent 5.2 seconds there. I can actually manually reduce that since I really just wanted that to come up there, and I can customize all of this. But now that I have those custom timings on there, let's go and create a video. And the way I do that, again, I go to File. Now I go to Export. I choose to create a video. And I want to use recorded timings and narrations. So PowerPoint will ignore that 5 seconds now, and I will create a video. And we will call this video, let's put it back on my desktop. Let's call this video the full version. And we're going to hit save. And now this one is going to go ahead and render. And since that is going to take a moment or two because there's more animations, we'll end this video and we'll be able to come back and see the final product.